The latest revolution in snow clearing technology meets the cutting edge of cordless innovation with the SnowJoe 48-volt, 18-inch cordless snow blower. Powered by SnowJoe's exclusive ION Plus 24-volt lithium-ion battery system, the two included 4-amp-hour batteries provide up to 30 minutes of rechargeable runtime with zero carbon emissions for cleaner air. Cut the cord with ION Plus cordless convenience to blast past the limits of the extension cord and go anywhere powers at a premium. Equipped with a heavy-duty rubber-tipped steel blade auger, SnowJoe clears an 18-inch wide by 10-inch deep path in a single pass. The powerful 1200-watt brushless motor plows through up to 10 tons of snow per charge, up to 700 pounds per minute, while the integrated scraper bar at the base of the unit clears right to the ground without damaging your deck, driveway, or pavement. Put the powder precisely where you want it. SnowJoe's adjustable chute control rotates 180 degrees to throw snow up to 20 feet away in any direction. And after dark, the integrated 2-watt LED headlight lights the way for safer nighttime clearing. And when there's more work to be done, boost your battery power with even more ION Plus battery options available online, or get equipped with a second set of ION Plus batteries to keep on throwing when it won't stop snowing. So when it comes to snow, go with Joe, the 48-volt, 18-inch cordless snow blower from SnowJoe. Get equipped.